What is up, everyone? How are we all doing today? Welcome back to the channel. We are continuing on with the 4th gen power package deal. EGR has been removed, it's been deleted. The old exhaust, the DPF cat, everything has been dropped. The next project to move on to is going to be the coolant bypass. Nice white box. Ooh. It says FLEECE on it. This gotta be good. Okay, so starting with the unboxing, everything's been in-house CNC machine. Comes with your Scotch-Brite pad. Also, any bolt and hardware that you do need. The extended thermostat water neck bolts are longer, and the bolts that will be needed to mount the thermostat housing in the back of the block. Oh man, that looks pretty. Oh, too bad that's on the back of the engine. But everything's already pre-mounted. It's all pre-assembled. Even the O-ring is on there. Focus. Wow. There we go. Yeah, so anyways, that's a 180 thermostat that they run in theirs. So I went ahead and got a 180 thermostat for the front as well, because I know right now it's at 200 or 210, whatever it is. But yes, this is the thermostat housing that will be mounted to the back of the engine block with AN fitting already attached to it. So we will set that. We'll set that down right here. Next up is the coolant riser, which goes right underneath the water neck or on top of the OEM thermostat. And with the 4th gen, the 3rd and 4th, well, no, sorry, take that back, just the 4th gen kits, they have, they sell standard now with their CNC machined brackets. Usually it's about a $60 add-on for 2nd gen, and I think 3rd gen, guys. But yeah, 4th gen, they come standard. And then of course there is the built hose, your bypass hose that routes from the water neck to the thermostat housing at the back of the engine. And of course, you know, there's thank you for your business. Anyways, that's enough yapping and unboxing. Let's go ahead, get it thrown in the pickup. As you can see, we're looking at the exhaust end, or the butt end of the turbo. I'm trying to get you guys in a good position to see this. Hopefully the lighting's okay. It's kind of difficult, but you see this bracket that's bolted at the top? That needs to come off. That big rusty bracket, there should be 4 bolts, and it should be, that's basically it. You see that one bolt in the center of the camera? That's one side. If we move over to the other side, you'll see the same thing. But right up there, you see that that 1/2-inch drive fitting, that plug. Right below that is where the freeze plug is that you'll need to pop out. So the best way to fish that bracket out is going to be on the passenger side, right underneath your dipstick. You'll want to drop your exhaust if you haven't, but there is a vent line that is connected to it. You'll just disconnect it and have to find a different place to mount it, which I would suggest probably place for like that clip right there. Okay, so I found the best way to do this. My camera is zoomed in all the way right now. This is the dipstick. Go right above that and have a long pry bar and hit that top edge, as you can see right where I'm placed. Can you come on, focus, there we go, right there. Okay, that up there, no freeze plug. So, tools of the trade. This is what worked the best for me. Long pry bar, okay? Kind of a short, flat head screwdriver, small set of pliers, and a hammer. Okay, next to go in is going to be this piece. Alright, your rear thermostat housing. When you do go to put it in, make sure that you lube this O-ring up with oil, or I like to use Lubriplate, a little white lithium grease. That always helps. When you do, before you stick that on, FLEECE sends you a Scotch-Brite pad. Clean up that the back of the block, the mating surface. Make sure it's good and clean and flat. You want it to mate perfectly. And they send you the 2 needed bolts right here. I recommend taking a little bit of blue Loctite and Loctite those threads up a little bit. That way, you know, they don't rattle out. But yeah, pretty simple. The other key component before you stick the thermostat housing in is you want to tighten the hose onto your AN fitting for the thermostat housing. After we use the Scotch-Brite pad, take a little bit of brake cleaner. So real quick before I get too crazy, I don't want to forget, but that is one FLEECE coolant bypass thermostat housing install. Okay everyone, that is the finished product. Went together very easily, other than having to fish the thermostat housing to the back of the block. That was kind of a pain, but you can fit a FLEECE performance coolant bypass kit in a 4th gen with the transmission still in. A lot of people think it can't be done. I can tell you right now, the hardest part is fishing the thermostat housing into place. That is the hardest part. Popping that, getting the freeze plug out in the back, not as difficult as you think. But anyways, it is possible. That's gonna do it for this evening, everyone. God bless, stay humble. Oh, wait. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep subscribing. We're at 35 right now. Those rookie numbers, we gotta pump those numbers up. Come on. So, thank you. Keep subscribing. Keep hitting the like button. Keep leaving positive comments. I love seeing it. Thank you for the support on the channel, everyone. Alright? So, stay humble. God bless. I'll see ya.